Hello, a very good afternoon and welcome to the Tour of Poland final road stage. It's stage 6 today. We have the individual time trial around the streets of Krakow to decide things tomorrow, but a very hard day. The Queen stage, they're calling this. It's up and down, hardly a metre of flat road all day long. Well, Nieve pushing on, and of course Nieve is a danger in the overall general classification. Sky looking excellent tactically here because they have not just one, but two riders up there in that top 10. Nieve is there, he's the strongest on this climb at the minute. And as you say, Bart de Klerk on the left-hand side in the yellow jersey, looking very, very comfortable alongside Fabio Aru as Tiralonco starts to go at the back as well. So that's it. Aru has decided enough is enough. Tiralonco can no more, and he takes up the chase himself. Fabio Aru takes it into his own hands. The final climb for him with 3.2 kilometers remaining. He's 20 seconds of a difference to make up. And that's what Sky wanted all day long. And now looking strong, mightily strong, and nobody can get to him.
Well, what a move. He waited, didn't he? He waited for Aru to give it everything, put his attack in and wait till his legs seem to drop off, and then it's now the time for the Sky rider here, Sergio Henao.
It looks as though he's got a great chance.
It does. Well, he needs 6 seconds, doesn't he, on the finish to the yellow jersey to take that, because he will have 10 seconds time bonus, and then he needs a further 6 seconds. He needs to ride all the way to the line.
Well, now pointing down to his knee after his kneecap was shattered last year, and I'm not sure he's going to have enough seconds. He sat up there. I'm not sure what was going on in the car. The stage victory is so important. Behind they come across, 13 seconds to the yellow jersey, plus the time bonifications. Of course, we had Ulisi coming across in second, I think, as well. Bonus seconds for him at 4 seconds down. He may well be the new leader. We're going to have to do all the sums, get the mental arithmetic going, Rob. But the day belonging to Sergio Henao, a stage winner for Team Sky. Top tactical play by Sky. A really, really good ride from them. They win the stage, and after 174 kilometers, they take the yellow jersey ahead of Diego Ulisi. Tomorrow, a very, very big time trial. Massively varying abilities in time trialing here. It's still all up for grabs.